Hey guys, my name is Drew with Bigger View TV, and today we're at Auto Tinting Austin. They got a couple cars in the garage they're working on, so let's go in there and check them out.
I'm Eric, owner-manager of Auto Tinting Austin. We are one of the highest rated tinting facilities in Round Rock, Austin. We offer, high grade, quality window tint film and installation, precision cutting, warranted products. And we actually have some of the highest heat resistant films in Austin for the least expense. We've tested multiple products. We've looked over spec sheets, and that's one of the things that we do specifically is look at the data that's done in laboratories. The product that we ended up choosing to go with, which was a semi-recent switch over the past maybe year and a half or so because of their high performance. We went with Reno. Is extremely high performance, yet it allows the ability for us to make it a little bit more economical. The typical grade of like Hooper Optics window film, you can barely find that stuff for less than $600 an install. So we're able to offer very close to the identical for nearly half the price. We do use some more advanced things, such as precision cutting equipment. So we use a moderately expensive machine that's called a plotter. It gets an exact fit for all the window types. The objective is, as high of quality as possible for as the most affordable rates as possible, and give you a decent customer experience. So I mean, if folks who have not heard of Auto Tinting Austin, we would like for them to consider consider what I've just said, basically.
So if you're looking to beat the heat and need to get your car tinted, there's only one place to do it, and that's Auto Tinting Austin. My name is Drew, and I'll see you guys soon on Bigger View TV.